And I got some kisses back.
Babe, you're messing up my makeup. Alright guys, so I'm so frustrated that words cannot describe how mad I am. So I'm just going to sit here and smile and hope not to break my camera. Okay, so I just finished editing the entire video, and when I decided to clear up some storage, the video wanted to decide to delete itself. So there are some footages that I was not able to put in this video because it deleted. For example, I bleached the frontal and I was describing what type of wig it was and all of the processes to bleach the frontal, but again, it deleted. Shut up. It deleted. So there's literally nothing I can do but to describe what I did. So basically, it's the same old thing, you know, you just use the BOOOOOOOMB bleach. Now my camera's about to die. This is so great. So yeah, my boyfriend's in the back, so he's just gonna he's gonna be in the back of the video with his little bird's chest. He's just gonna be in the back. I'm not even gonna delete it because I'm just so frustrated right now. But like I said, you're gonna use BOOOOOOOMB bleach, do the regular, put it on the wig, you know, put it on a frontal and let it bleach. I have only a snippet of when I was reviving the roots because I did bleach it a little bit too much and for too long. So the roots were a grassy color, so they weren't looking like this before. But luckily I still have that footage of me converting the roots back to its black. The dye that I'm using is the Rayyonce dye, and I believe this is in the color dark brown. I just followed the basic steps that are on the box to mix the dye and the developer together. And basically what I'm doing is just combing the dye through the hair, and that way you can dye the roots back to its original color without messing up the lace, and also without having to go through each layer of the hair and dyeing it separately. I feel like this way is so much easier and way faster than the normal way of dyeing. All you really need is just a really small tiny comb, and then you can literally just dye the roots back to normal. So now I am going to do the customizing of the lace frontal part. So this part is really hard to explain, so pretty much you would just learn by watching it. But what I'm doing is, one, I'm taking the first layer of hair off of the lace. So it's like a thin, tiny layer of hair that's around the entire lace hairline, and I'm just taking that first layer off. And then what I'm doing is I'm plucking in a downwards motion. I know it looks like I'm plucking front to back, but I think that's because the video is going fast. But in reality, I'm plucking up to down. I don't know how to describe it. It's so hard to describe. But basically, if you pluck downwards, so like vertical, then the hair would naturally form into swoops. Like the hairline would naturally form into the swoops that your baby hairs would form into. And I feel like this is the most natural looking type of lace front that you can possibly have. So as you guys can see, the swoops are like starting to form, and basically in between each swoop I'm like balding the middle, if that makes sense. It's really hard to explain, so I guess you guys could just watch it and learn. But yeah, I'm just like plucking it down. When I get to the middle, I'm plucking it straight front to back, and I'm also getting behind the hairline as well, because that way it will really look natural. So that's basically literally all that you guys are gonna miss, I guess. The rest of the video is just me basically styling my hair into different ways. I don't think that I lost that footage. Now, if I lost that footage, I would have just quit YouTube. iron. So now I'm going to flat iron my hair, and I'm going to define my middle part. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of what the lace looks like. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is pin the hair all the way back. samsbeauty.com. It's one of their full lace units. I know it's kind of crazy to buy some hair off of Amazon, but you're not gonna get scammed. It's actually pretty good. As you guys can see, I have ear to ear space. It's also a 360, not 360, a full lace wig, so I can part my hair up and down and it will look like scalp, okay? I can also put it in a high ponytail, but I didn't like glue the back down because I'm not familiar how to do that yet, because I don't really work with full lace wigs. So once I figure that out, then I will get back with you guys. Other than that, I think this is some really good hair. It's like one of those gems that you have to kind of like search for. So I got y'all. I'll put all the information in the description box for y'all. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.